Good morning, my lovelies. I'm coming at you today with another What I Eat in a Day video, vegan alkaline style, and we're gonna get right into it. So majority of the time I do like to start breakfast off with fruits because there's so many great benefits on starting your day with fruits. Obviously you're breaking fast since you've been asleep for so many hours, so it's good to put something very nutritious in your body, not the typical American diet that they tell us is great for breakfast. So we're gonna start today with some fresh globes, and by globes I mean these are seeded grapes. I don't eat any hybrid fruits. So then our next will be a lovely Fuji apple. So we're just gonna wash these off and cut these up. Boom, and that's breakfast. Look how yummy and tasty. And this will keep me full for about an hour or so, and then I'll probably want to eat again. Since fruits digest really fast, I'll have another one of these bowls in an hour or so. All right, so I'm going to go eat this and work. And these are my favorite apples. Fuji's are absolutely amazing to me. And honestly, I love globes. I think these taste way better than their hybrid counterparts, okay? So I'm off, bye. Okay guys, so it's now lunchtime, and usually I take my vitamins right when I take my breakfast. However, I had a call that I had to get on, so I just had to eat my apples and grapes really quick. So I'm actually about to take my vitamins right now. I've been alkaline vegan now for a little over 7 months. Yes, a little over 7 months, might even be a little bit longer. But I do take my herbs from Alkaline Herb Shop, and I'm gonna show you the ones that I take. I take sea moss, happy gut, black sarsaparilla, chlorophyll, happy lymph, and iron. So I just recently on my Instagram stories just explained which herbs I feel are the most important for overall health. And that, if you follow any of Dr. Sebi's teachings, you will know where I'm coming from with this. But at the same time, it's just overall for your general health. I want you guys to look up these herbs on your own, do your own research. But your first one is iron. Iron is so important for the body for so many different reasons. For your digestive health, for your immune system, for oxygen in your blood, the list goes on and on and on. And every root cause of every disease the body has is because there's a lack of iron. And again, that is completely different than what Western medicine will tell you, but again, if you do your own research, you will know that everything stems from deficiencies in iron and an excess amount of mucus and or phlegm in your body. So again, do your own research. Now, as far as my overall health goes, I had an allergic reaction to some mushrooms a while ago, and at the same time I was also detoxing, and I did a detox from Alkaline Herb Shop, and I believe it was just a mixture of everything, was just kind of pushing everything through my skin, which is obviously our biggest organ. So if there's any toxins within your body, it's going to show on your face, your chest, your back, wherever you typically are more acne prone. So for me, it's my face. I'm not super acne prone per se, but at the same time, if I do have any type of imbalances, it will show on my face. So between the allergic reaction with the hives, it was really bad, and I was using all types of random stuff on my face, and that's probably like the worst thing to do. So I actually burned myself. So the majority of the things going on with my face right now are marks from when I burned myself trying to get rid of the hives and the pimples. But now my skin is, coming back down. If you're a subscriber or someone who views my channel, you know that skin is very important to me, and my skin is always, for the most part, completely clear. So if you ever see me with any type of breakouts or dark marks, know that I had some type of allergic reaction or I'm on some type of cleanse, because I do believe in detoxing. So anyways, not trying to go super in depth with this, but I am gonna give a breakdown of what each what each herb is good for. But again, do your own research and check the link in the description box for the website for these herbs. If you want to use my code, you don't have to, but if you want to save money on these herbs, you could use code iamLindaElaine. And again, this is not to try to sell you something. This is just really what I take during my day. I take this every single day. And when I say you will notice a difference between the phlegm in your body, like I barely blow my nose. I know that's TMI. I don't have to clear my throat. There's nothing there. And my energy levels are up. My immune system's up. Like, other than this like minor breakout, you guys typically see how nice my skin is. People ask all the time, what are your secrets to skin? And honestly, the majority of it is diet. It's what you put in your body. So these are really important for me. So I'm about to take all my herbs really quick. All right, so for anybody that is curious on getting started with herbs, I'm definitely gonna tell you the order that I think that you should start your herbs. Iron, again, is very crucial and very important for the reasons that I said earlier. But then my next would be sea moss and bladderwrack, because this is what will remove excess mucus from your body. And again, mucus is the root cause of every disease known to man. And the next one I would say is your happy lymph, because your lymphatic system is basically what's in charge of removing all those toxins from your body. So if your lymph system is not functioning properly or not flowing, actually that's a good word, if your lymph system is not flowing, then those toxins are literally either sitting in your lymph nodes or recirculating in your body. You want to get rid of them, and that's where the kidney and the liver are very important. They are vital for removing toxins out your body. So you want to make sure that your lymph system is flowing well and that you treat your kidneys and your livers amazing, because sweetheart, that's how you remove all the gunk that's sitting in your body. So taking all those Henny shots back is not good, okay? So calm it down a bit. Lastly is, or just don't do it at all. Lastly is chlorophyll. And yeah, this is like a natural internal body deodorizer. So it has other benefits as well, but these would be the main ones that I would say to start with. Everything else to me is more so for like detoxing and getting rid of excess toxins out your body. But if you just want like a good upkeep, those four are the ones that I suggest for all my friends and family. And everything else that you get from Alkaline Herb Shop is just like a top off, like for whatever other issues that you may be trying to address. But okay, I'm not like a big talker. When I talk a lot, it hurts right here. Now for lunch, I'm about to have this amazing soup. It's so yummy, and pretty much this is gonna keep me full for like the next couple of hours. It's so filling because it's a veggie soup and it's filled with so much deliciousness that it keeps you full for a really long time. So I'm about to have this and go run my errands. Of course, you guys know I'm running late. Supposed to be there at 3:30 and it's 3:25. So I'm about to have my lunch now. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit for my snack. So, bye. It's snack time. And for my snack, I'm having my favorite ever thing, which is plantain chips. So this is a 6-ounce bag. If I don't put some of it in a bowl and walk away, I will finish this whole bag, especially if I have some salsa. It's a problem. So I'm not even gonna make any salsa right now because I didn't get to go to the gym. So half this bag, that's my snack. I forgot to mention, also throughout the day, I drink my gallon of Crystal Geyser, and I squeezed 1 key lime in it. Usually I do 2, but I didn't open my new pack of key limes yet, so I was just lazy. But normally I slice 2 key limes and I dump it in the whole gallon, and I let it sit overnight, but I forgot to show you guys that this morning. So I'm almost done with my water for the day. Hey, hey. And I'm about to go film another video. So I'll see y'all around dinner time. Ciao. All right, y'all. So, all right, guys. So it is dinner time, and I am starving like Marvin. So we are gonna make something very quick, and it's gonna be so good, I promise you. All right, I'm about to eat dinner. I am having veggie burritos. And I haven't rolled them yet. I'm gonna roll them, and then they are gonna be my little veggie burrito slash veggie sushi roll burrito something, okay? I need to go to sleep. But anyways, that's gonna be my dinner. I already finished my gallon of water, so it's empty on the counter there. I got my next one right next to it for tomorrow morning. I gotta just put my limes in it, and yeah, that's it. Everybody make some noise. Justice. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you later. And like usual, if you want to keep up with me, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine and Snapchat at JamaicanBeauty. Deuces. So I've been getting so many questions about how I fix my teeth, so I use the company called Bite. I will also leave my review in the description box below, but if you would like to get your own Bite kit to start straightening your teeth at home, I will definitely leave my coupon code right here, which is LindaElaine. It'll take the box from $95 all the way down to $25. So that's a major discount. So yes, I just wanted to share that, and I'll probably be sharing this on the remainder of my videos from now on because I get so many questions about it. So if you're interested in fixing your teeth, I use Bite, and you can use my code iamLindaElaine to save some money.